Welcome to Mimi's Science Lab. Now today we have a beautiful little yellow flower, and this is a bird foot trefoil. Trefoil. Very pretty yellow. That's not going to work so good. I'm trying to figure out why it's not as bright yellow as it should be. Okay, look at this flower. It's got all these little tiny dots all on it. Something you don't see when you're looking at the flower itself. It's very pretty. This is going to be one of those hard ones, I believe. Hard to see. Oh, there we go. Looks so much prettier. Okay. Now this grows on the lawn and the roadside, and it's good for livestock in the field, but can choke out native vegetation, making them a troublesome weed. They are big benefits to butterflies, so the butterflies really like them. But other vegetarian, it's a big word, huh? Vegetation may not like that. Isn't that beautiful? It's almost like it has a petal, and then it has like a little one sticking out. Really kind of different. Because it's always nice to see things under the microscope, because you see the little tiny details that you normally would not. Poor flower. It's got its pointy little one. It's got its sleeve, then it's got a pointy one. He's quite a hard one to see. Let me show you on the computer. See, that's all he is. It's got the one big leaf, and then the other two will open up later. Then it dies. It's just beautiful. And you'll find them around the roadside. They multiply, they grow. It's all wild, natural. Comes back every year. But they're just such cute, beautiful little flowers. Look at that. Love it. And there it is. Right there. All its little details. Under the microscope you see all the little flaws of the plant. The beautiful flower. Look at the line. It still has a little bit of the morning dew on it even. I just went outside and picked it on the side of the driveway. All right. Something that the butterflies just love. Alright, hope you enjoyed my bringing it to you. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and by all means, share the video. Get others involved in all this looking under the microscope stuff. Then put a microscope on your list for Christmas. If you see some of this and it interests you, never know, you might be one of our future scientists. Wouldn't that be cool, huh? They get paid a lot. It's a good job. Discover the details. And that's the whole thing of a microscope. And Mimi's Science Lab is to check the details. Alrighty. Bye-bye now.